We have one more though, Marty.
We have?
We have one more award, ladies and gentlemen, and it is the Senior Players Player Award. And again, we have 3 nominees. First nominee, we have Niamh McLaughlin from Donegal. Ó Chiarí, Louise Ní Réaltaí. Agus ó Honda na Mi. From Meath, we have Emma Duggan. And the TG4 Senior Players Player of the Year for 2022 is Niamh McLaughlin from Donegal. Cóhórachas leat Niamh. The winner of the TG4 Senior Players Player of the Year for 2022 was a towering figure for her county as they contested a Lidl National League Division 1 final against Meath before advancing to the All-Ireland semi-final of the TG4 All-Ireland Senior Championship. This year's winner, voted by her fellow players, is Donegal's Niamh McLaughlin. Well done, Niamh.
Niamh, you could go back to me for a second, Niamh. And we'll give her the other one as well. Can you manage the 2 of them? Ladies and gentlemen, our Players Player of the Year, all the way from Donegal. Niamh, congratulations, first of all. Can you put into words? Oh, it's a great night for you and indeed your family and your club and your county. All-Star and Players Player of the Year.
Not really, to be honest. It's not something that you expect. Definitely not. I mean, being nominated for an All-Star for the first time is kind of enough, but I think being even nominated for Players Player of the Year, it's humbling that your players that you're playing against vote for you. No, it's not really something that you can kind of. It's a bit like Blahin there, but stuck for words.
But your love of football, where did that come from? Where did it start?
My family, my mum and my dad. Look, for as long as I can remember, I've been playing football. I'm very lucky with my club in Pheil. We always had a very good setup. Started playing up with the boys. This woman here was my captain there in 2007. Look, we've always had a lot of great role models and female players in our club looking up to, and they're still the same people that I look up to now. So yeah, look, I'm just very grateful. Even in Donegal, all the underage coaches that I've kind of played through have kind of, got us to where we are now. Still a wee bit to go, but we're working on it and not too far off it, I don't think.
I think it's one thing to be recognised by adjudicators and the public, I suppose, which we all are part of. But then to get the player's player, it's all it's not your colleagues at your team because I don't think they can vote for you, but everybody else. Isn't that just a fantastic honour for you?
For sure. Look, like I said, it's nothing that you really it's nothing that I'd prepare myself for. Even the nomination was a surprise for me. Look, the people that I play against and Donegal play against, it's people that you kind of are looking at the whole time that you're playing. And look, the 2 girls that were nominated alongside me, Louise has been around for a good while, and she's magic. Emma's not been around as long, but she's broken our hearts a few times this year. But do you know what? Those are the players that you want to be playing against because they bring out the best in you as well. So I'm really grateful.
So I know tonight is a nice celebration, and you'll all be hugging and enjoying the night. But at the end of the day now, when things calm down, you've Meath and Kerry behind you in the All-Ireland final. Can Donegal push them over in 2023?
I'm going to say yes to that, of course. No, look, Meath have been working on what they've been working on for the last few years, and Kerry have been through tough times like ourselves in Donegal this last 10 years, and they've been able to come back, and they've built a really strong team and squad, obviously, this last few years, and the same for Meath. They're the guys that everyone are chasing now, and we don't really feel like there's a lot for us that we need to catch them. It's just kind of building on the small things if we can, and if we can get 1% better every week of training or whatever, I think we're not too far away.
Can you pinch yourself now and realise you're going back to Donegal with All-Star and Footballer of the Year?
I don't.
How do you get a word in with that crowd?
I'm not sure. These Termon ones here, I don't know, they've been going for a while. No, look, it's great to have the support of everyone here, and look, we're very enthusiastic up in Donegal, and look, to bring it back to the girls that are at home, and look, even for the young girls at home, and even young boys, look, this brings up the visibility, obviously, and like I said, my own club and a show and Donegal as a whole, look, I hope this can inspire those girls as well.
Well, not only are you a great footballer, but I love your accent. I just love listening to Donegal accent. You could talk all night. Ladies and gentlemen, our Players' Player of the Year, Niamh McLaughlin.
Well done, Niamh.
Helna mom Bill, TG4